Hello everyone, for this short tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to use the spline and lathe tools. To do that I'm going to make some pottery. So first I go over here to the straight path tool, it looks like a line, and I am in the front view. I'm also in the smooth shaded view, and I am in the object edit mode. So click over here and I'm going to start drawing the outside of the pottery. This is the basic outside shape. And if I stop right here, it's going to make a solid object. So I'm actually just going to make the outside edge of the pottery. And it's just going to be, it's going to look like half of a piece of a pottery here. So, because you're going to spin it around this line right here, which is called the y-axis. When you spin it around, it will double the width. So once I have this spline made, I click on Build, go to Lathe. I need to choose how many sides. I'm going to choose 5 sides for this one. And make sure you choose the y-axis. Otherwise, it'll spin it around the wrong axis. So I click OK. Let's use arc rotate up here to see what I have on the inside. There we go, I have a bowl. And it's very possible that you want to make the bowl a little smoother, so you can go to Build, Convert to Subdivided. There you have it, here's a bowl. Here's the spline right here, so I'm going to get rid of the spline because I don't need it anymore. If this bowl is going to be in the way, for the other objects I'm going to make, I go to Edit, and I'm going to click on Hide. I'm going to make one more object here. I'm going to make a plate. So click in the middle. Just do your best to try to keep these lines parallel as close as possible. Alright, there's a plate, at least part of it. Build, Lathe. I can keep the same dimensions or change it a little bit. Let's see what we have. Alright. And to get rid of the spline, it's usually easier if you subdivide the faces, but if you don't want to subdivide the faces, just make sure you still have the straight path tool selected, because it makes it easier to select the spline and get rid of it. To get rid of it, I just pressed delete on the keyboard. That's it. I'm going to go to front view again. I'm going to go back to edit and click show all, which should bring the bowl back. And just make sure the bowl is where you want it. First you have to select the bowl and move it a little bit. And there we go. Let's add some color really quickly here. To add color, use the materials option. Use the color blue, and let's make it green. Since the bowl is already selected, I'm going to click apply and make that green. Now I can select the plate, choose the color blue, click apply. Now we have it blue. And that's it. That's a short lesson on how to use the spline and the lathe tool.